Going to do an unboxing and review about this Hot Wheels 2-pack. A little bit late to the party. This pack is already available for quite some time. I bought it at a Toychamp in the Netherlands, Middelburg. But I think it's also available in the Toychamp in Belgium. Subaru Impreza WRX and the 16 Subaru WRX STI. I really like the artwork on the card, so I try to keep the card as good as possible. Here you see the other sets. Didn't bought any of them. And here we got some information. Yeah, it's a licensed product. Here we got the barcode and article number. So what I'm going to do to keep the card as good as possible, I'm going to take a very sharp knife. Not this one, but this one. And then I'm going to start here. There we go. Whoop. All the way around. Oop. And the last one. Voila. Still got a good card. Then we're going to have a look at the cars. This was actually the reason to bought this 2-pack. I like the gray metal sort of look. And we got lensed headlights, nice intercooler in the front. No windscreen wipers, that's a little bit disappointing. Yeah. And here at the window, it also looks a little bit weird. Not sure if you can see it on the camera, but yeah, very good rolling wheels, nice rims, painted rear lights in the back, no license plate. I don't like that. And we got a metal base with some details. Slick rubber tires. Let's have a look at the interior. Where's my light? I'm going to use this light. Oh, steering wheel has a little bit improved, but still not enough in my opinion, but it is already a little bit better. Let's have a look from above. Nice bucket seats. And we have a look in this side. Yeah, poke for shifting gear or brake, also possible. Hey, another package. Let's get it. There it is. Hey. Hey, dankjewel man. Super. Vriendelijk. Yo, doeg. Hey, that's not for me. What? But this is for me. But that's for another video. Okay, I'm back again. Yeah, I was shining with my light in the car. And I was going to say there is a roll cage inside. Okay, then we're going to the other car. WRX STI in the Subaru racing colors. Very well detailed. Really like this car. And this one has windscreen wipers. Hot Wheels, what's the problem? Nice nice air intake. I like that STI here on top. That's also a cool detail. Yeah, very good rolling wheels. I also like this detail here on the window for some air. Hey, and here we got a license plate. Hot Wheels, what's the problem? A nice black base, metal, and rubber slick tires. So yeah, I'm definitely going for this one because it got more details. And yes, this is actually the reason I bought this 2-pack. But now we have painted front lights, and here we have lanced front lights. Hot Wheels, what's the problem? Okay, I see it's the same base. No, it's a little bit different. Anyways, they're both pretty cool, but there is a little room for improvement. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.